Welcome to the future of productivity. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 AI workflow stack. Are you spending more time re-explaining context than doing actual work? You've hit the prompt fatigue wall. Drowning in 15 ChatGPT tabs and walls of copy-pasted text is not a strategy. It's a bottleneck. What worked in 2025, manually prompting from scratch, is now obsolete. It creates silos, not systems. Top teams aren't hunting for a better model. They are building an integrated workflow stack. Stop bridging apps manually. It's time to transition to a smooth, connected AI system. Layer 1 is deep reasoning. Claude 3.5 isn't just a chatbot, it's the engine for your strategy. Load your operational playbook into persistent context windows. Build your brand rules once, and never start from zero again. Layer 2 is real-time verification with Perplexity. Ditch hallucinations and generic answers. Synthesize live web sources with explicit citations so you can verify facts without breaking your flow. Layer 3 is operational capture. Meet Granola, bot-free transcription that aligns with your workspace. No more intrusive meeting bots. Transcribe directly on your device and turn raw calls into actionable summaries instantly. Layer 4 is system execution via Make. The manual middleman is officially gone. Automate data flow through webhooks. Your AI agents now move deliverables straight into your docs and tasks. Ready to upgrade? Here is your 3-step checklist to modernize your workflow. First, identify your re-explanation loop. What context do you find yourself typing twice a week? Second, externalize that context into a central brain file document. Third, attach that file to a dedicated AI workspace. It's the key to persistent intelligence. Tools change every quarter, but effective workflows compound value forever. It's time to stop prompting and start integrating. Move beyond simple inputs and build a true digital system. Hit subscribe for more practical AI workflows and download your starter playbook in the description below.